guys, welcome to Tarot Fragrance Suman. Hope you all are doing good. So today's topic is going to be current feelings of your partner. So this reading is going to be for all the signs. That means air, fire, earth and water signs. Okay. So as this is general reading, this may not resonate with everyone. So guys, please be in a positive frame of mind and take the reading as it resonates with you. Okay, if you feel that something is not matching with you, is not resonating with you, you can kindly leave that. Okay, just enjoy the reading, right? So let us just start the reading for you, and the topic for today is your partner's current feelings for you. That means how is that your partner is feeling for you. Okay, so this reading is for both males and females, right? So let us just begin the reading. So all the angels from the universe, please help us out with the reading. So guys, please be in the positive frame of mind, as I always tell you. Okay, so thank you so much. I really want to thank all those people who have already subscribed to my channel and are liking my videos, also sharing with their near and dear ones, and putting a comment or two also. You don't know how much it inspires me to do better and better work. It motivates me a lot. I need that motivation from all of you, in fact. So I would also appreciate if you could just help me out with what is that I should be doing in order to make the videos more interesting. And you can also suggest a topic of your own choice. Okay, so I will definitely like to take all those topics also and try to see that I am able to make some beautiful readings for you on those topics, selected ones. Okay guys, so let us just start the reading for you. So what is that your partners are feeling for you currently? This is what we are going to be taking. So the first card is Nine of Pentacles, beautiful energy. Second card is Five of Cups. Somebody is very gloomy. Somebody is missing you a lot. The third card is Two of Wands. Somebody is waiting for you to communicate with them. The fourth card is Ten of Wands. Something is going to get over, okay? And the fifth card is extremely beautiful card, Page of Cups. Somebody wants to offer their cup of love to you. This can be your energy also. Even you also may be wanting to offer this cup to them. But what is today's topic? Today's topic is what is that? What is your partner's current energy? So yes, it has to be their energy. And what is the bottom of the deck? Oh, extremely beautiful card, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, good times arriving very soon. Beautiful guys, I'm so happy. So let us just do the detailing of these cards. So the first card was Nine of Pentacles. That means at this point in time, your partners, they are in self-love. Okay, they are like, okay, let me concentrate on myself. Okay, they are like, okay, if there is no one around, okay, if my partner is not messaging me, or my partner is making me feel unloved, so it is better that I start loving myself. Good decision, not bad. I like this synergy. extremely good. So they are like, let me concentrate on myself, let me concentrate on my pentacles, let me concentrate on my overall development. So they are actually putting in all their energy in improving themselves, looks wise, finances wise, career wise, and so many different things. So your partners are actually investing their time and energy in a very beautiful manner and in a very sensible manner also. So although they are in this energy, see, I'm actually feeling very bad, very bad. They are in this energy actually. They are feeling very so sad, alone, lonely, unloved, uncared. But then they are using their energy in a sensible manner, in a I mean they're like in this energy, but they don't want to waste their time crying over the spilt milk, because this energy is something wherein this person is regretting about something. This person is regretting about opportunities which he had in the past, and he was not able to cash on those opportunities. So he's like thinking about that. But instead of crying over the spilt milk, he's concentrating and investing all his time in improving himself in all the aspects of the lives. Okay, so extremely good energy. I am actually impressed. And these people, they have some family issues going on. They have some unfinished businesses which they want to finish and all, and I think they might have already finished also. Why? Because we have got the card of Wheel of Fortune, which shows that something has already ended and there is something new which is going to start for you. And Wheel of Fortune is something wherein even if something has ended, it has ended for good for, and also at the same time the new journey which you're going to be beginning is going to be better than what it was before. So this is an extremely beautiful card, and this is an extremely excellent card to have come for love and relationship. But this is not love and relationship, this is for their current energy. But in this current energy also they're thinking of making lot of necessary changes in your relationship. Extremely good. Just below that we have this Two of Cups. So you guys are going to be on the same page. So even you are feeling same, you are also feeling same. Like you also want to concentrate on yourself. You also want to see that you are investing all your energy in your overall development. So extremely good energy. Yeah, you both are on the same page. I'm so happy for you. And see this Four of Wands and all. There are a lot of people who are going to get married also. If they have this plan to get married, they are going to be getting married. And your partner is thinking of getting into a serious relationship with you. So if you guys are not planning to get married or something, but then you have something very serious in your mind running. That means you want to take up this relationship to the next level, a serious kind of a level and all, wherein you're going to be laying the foundation of this relationship on a very committed kind of a note. And this is going to be extremely beautiful, and relationship which is going to be running for a very long time for you. So extremely good cards. And your partner is actually waiting for an appropriate moment to come, so that he is all done with uh, all those unfinished businesses and all. And when he feels that the right time is right, he's going to be approaching you with this cup of love. So when he comes to you and all, he is going to be like starting or restarting this relationship with you on a very casual note first. That means it's not going to be like giving you commitment, and it's not going to be like, okay, why did this happen and all, I this, that and all. Nothing of that sort. He is going to be like very innocently and in a very casual manner he's going to approach you, and he may probably give you a gift or two also to make you happy and feel special. So this is what this energy tells. So guys, your partner's current feelings for you is extremely positive, and there are a lot of people who are going to get some solid commitment from their partners, and people who are thinking of planning to get married and all. There are very high chances that you guys are going to get married also. So with this I end this reading for today, and hope to see you in this next video or with a new topic for you. Till then, please do take good care of yourself, and bye. Ciao guys, see you.
Yeah.